Hello family, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous fashion twist that I made with expression braiding hair. So if this is your first time here, boo, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button to join this amazing family. So guys, let's get started. So this is my natural hair, guys. I did unroll it a day before to make it a bit straightened and easy for me to manage. So I'm going to start parting it right away. I'm going to be using my parting comb and my shine and jam finger gel. So I'm going to start by making a line from ear to ear to cut out the front section, and I will just hold down the back section with my hairband while I style the front. So for the front pattern, I'm going to be making an illusion pattern, and this pattern, guys, is the best when it comes to crochet hair, because when you're done making it, it will look like you made the braids actually, but it's actually a crochet that looks like a free braid. So for this style, I'm going to cut out the section. When I cut it out, I will apply my gel to make the lines shiny and neat, and then I'm going ahead and start braiding. For the illusion pattern, I'm going to cut out small section. This small section that I cut here at the part, I'm going to divide it into 3 subsections, and I'm going to show you guys how to make the illusion pattern. So this first section, I'm going to go ahead and just make kind of a braid, a single braid. And when I'm done making this single braid, I'm going to cut out another small section and make another single braid, but I'll be adding this first section, the left out hair from this first section braid, I'll be adding it to the second section, and then when I'm done with that second section, I'll add the second section to the third one, just to add the 3 braids together in a single pattern. So now I'm done with the 3 single braids all added together. So this is how it should look like, and this is called the illusion pattern when making a crochet hair. This pattern is actually nice because it will come out really nice, like I said before, and it looks natural when you wear a crochet on it. So I'm going to be doing this on the entire front section of my hair. So guys, this is how the front looks like. This is the illusion pattern. Came out really nice and beautiful. So for the back, I'm going to go ahead and just make a cornrow pattern at the back, just like so, and then I tuck it in. So next, I'm going to be using my crochet pin, and I have here my passion twist, guys, homemade passion twist. I'm going to go ahead and start installing them using my crochet pin. So I'm going to start installing them from the front, and then when I'm done with the front side, I'll go to the back. So I'm going to take my crochet pin through the first braid, and then I use it to pin the crochet hair and take it through to the other side, and then I'll secure it down. And then when I'm done with that, I'll move to the second braid, just like that. I'm going to attach the crochet head to the top front section of my hair. This is how the front looks like once I'm done installing them. It came out really nice, and it actually looks like free braids because of the illusion pattern that I used in braiding my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and install the back, and I'm just going to install them as close as possible so as to give it maximum volume when I'm done. So now I'm done installing the hair. So you can see it came out really nice and full. So I'm going to be using this Go-To-Be gel to line my edges. Once I'm done lining them edges, as you can see, it's looking all shiny. I don't have much hair there, so I just line the little that I have. I'm going to be applying this olive oil shine gloss to the hair to give it a little bit of shine, and then I'm good to go. So girls, check this out. I'm in love with this hair, guys. It's looking so fly and juicy. Thank you all for staying with me to the end of this video. I love you all. Thank you. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, sis, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Please leave me a thumbs up as well and a comment below on your view about the hair and your suggestions. See you on my next video. Bye bye.